just a fact. It is who we are. And yet here we are watching families be targeted, watched, hunted, farm workers being chased across fields. These are some of the hardest working people on earth, and they literally feed the nation.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly.
Now comes the part where we throw our heads back and laugh. Ready?
Ready!
You see somebody with a MAGA hat? Pew pew! That's what we do. That's the way. It's the only way.